Our next guest is fresh off an enormous funding round in this space, and joining us now to talk more about it is Keith Witek. He is the Chief Operating Officer at Tenstorrent. Good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Trinity.
It's great to have you with us on the show this morning. Now let's just start by telling us a little bit more about Tenstorrent and what your company is currently working on at CES.
Yeah, we build high-performance platforms based on AI technology and RISC-V CPU technology. We put those two compute platforms together with software to go into segments like automotive and data center to provide AI solutions, basically the picks and shovels of the business for the companies that are providing services to end users with AI algorithms.
And as I mentioned in the intro, you recently closed a $693 million Series D funding round and have been named as one of the top 10 AI companies. So tell us what you plan to use this money for.
Yeah, we're going to invest in chiplet technology to bring our silicon to market. We're going to bring our Gen 1 and Gen 2 Galaxy boxes to market in auto platforms and data center platforms over the next year. We're going to scale our team to provide more comprehensive scope and coverage on the various software algorithms we need to support our customers. And that's what we're going to drive forward for the next 2 years on this capital that we've raised. And we're doing it in a pretty unique business model that I think not only just big companies and little companies, but entire countries are embracing right now across the globe.
And you actually were at Google prior to joining Tenstorrent. So how did that role play into your current position as Chief Operating Officer? And what have you carried with you that you apply in your day-to-day?
Oh, it's huge. Most of the senior executives at our company, including the legendary architect we have leading our company as CEO, Jim Keller, we've all come from places like Apple and Tesla and Qualcomm and Google. These are large companies that took the journey on silicon development from nothing to very capable operations. And Apple is probably the gold standard for that over time. But Jim did it at Apple. I did it at Tesla and Google. Jim was also with me at Tesla. And we're taking Tenstorrent down this path of creating silicon excellence in a very large open ecosystem for various market verticals globally. And everything that I did at Google, which is a fantastic company, and Tesla and AMD, carries directly over to what we're trying to build here at Tenstorrent.
And you know, you're there on the ground at CES, the largest technology consumer show in the world. Over 100,000 people, I think over 130,000 people are in attendance this year. Talk to me about what it's like and what's unfolding there on the ground.
Yeah, you know what is excellent about CES is there isn't any place on the planet annually where you can go and see all the technology in one location, how it plays together. Oftentimes we talk about individual technology in segments. We talk about big data, we talk about edge, we talk about cloud computing or robotics or delivery systems with transportation like drones. But CES is a place you can go with digital media and all of these segments, auto. It puts it all together for you. And the thing I love seeing at CES is the power that is delivered to consumers and customers when all this technology is working well together to solve the world's problems. And that's what you see at CES. And that's what I get excited for every year when I come here.
AI, Gen AI, is obviously at the forefront of conversations around the world, especially here on Wall Street. Paint the picture of what the future of AI looks like for everyday folks.
Yeah, I will tell you, it's very, very infrequently in your career where you hit a crossroads where you know the world is never going to be the same place after we've crossed past this point in time. And when the PC came out, that was true. And when the mobile phone came out, that was true. And this is happening again with AI. AI is going to help in the segments of drug and healthcare development. It's going to help in automotive to save lives with autonomous technology and better sensor technology. It's going to help in retail. And I was sitting in a taxi line here at CES talking with a few people from a company, and they said, movies and generation of music and generation of gaming content can be automated and streamed faster to market. It's going to revolutionize the business. And these are things we're seeing happening in every segment due to AI. It's really going to be groundbreaking foundational technology that's going to help all segments move their business forward with innovation.
A lot to look out for. Thank you again for joining us. Keith Witek, Chief Operating Officer at Tenstorrent.